Hello, everybody. So, how are you all? I'm here to share one simple parenting tip which I'm following in my parenting journey, which is giving me more calmness and more happiness. This simple tip may look like a bit funny, or we may have a doubt whether we can follow it or not. But if you start to follow it, definitely it is going to give you more happiness and more calmness. That is for sure. Because this kind of situation is going to happen throughout our life, not only in the early childhood phase, but also throughout our life. So, what is the tip? Okay, I want to share a scenario to convey it clearly. So, just take a scenario like you are outside. I mean, you are in some public places like a mall or a park or any marriage hall or somewhere, or any relatives or friends are at your place. Right at that moment, maybe your child started to cry. They may started to throw a tantrum and they are just crying like anything. The first thing which comes to our mind is like, oh my god, my child is crying in front of other people. They are going to judge myself and judge my child. So what I have to do right now, I have to do something to stop the crying. I'm pretty sure many of us may face this situation in our everyday life. Okay, so once we started to think about other people, we may fail to think about our child means I mean our children. We may fail to understand the root cause of their crying. If we started to think about other people, we may shout at our child, we may scold our child, we may give some bribe, we may do some bribes to stop the crying. But instead of doing that, if we start to think like, okay, no one is there with me, I am all alone. Just think you are all alone with your child. Whenever you are in a public place and your children started to your child started to cry, just think you are all alone. You are not with anybody. No one is looking at you, because they may judge today, they may judge tomorrow, but end of the day, our child's emotional growth is more important than anything else. Okay, if we ask them to stop the crying right at the moment, we may not understand the real root cause of the crying. Maybe they are not comfortable with the people around them, maybe they are not comfortable with the surrounding, or even they may be they are hungry, or they may be sleepy. At that time they may started to crying, because crying is the first weapon, I mean that is the first communication tool for the child to convey anything. So if we think about other people, and if we want our child to stop the crying, then definitely we may fail to understand our children. Okay, so whenever you are in a public place and many people are looking at you and your child is started to crying, just don't ask them to stop the crying. Instead, just take a deep breath and just think no one is there with you. No one is there with you. You are not inside the crowd. Only you and your child is there, and we are there to address the problem of our child. Okay, so if we started to think this way, it's not only going to helpful in the early childhood phase, but also throughout our life. Maybe tomorrow our child can go to school, and for any reason, maybe they can't study, they are getting low grades, or they are not doing well in our sports. If many people started to judge us, if we started to feel so much embarrassment, then we may start to show that towards our child. We may fail to understand the root cause of the problem. So just think no one is there with you. If they are judging you, that is okay, because judging is very common in a parenting journey. For us, our child emotional growth is more important. Our child brain development is more important than thinking about other people's judgments. It is not, I'm not going to say like just leave everybody and just be with your child all the time. We have to be with other people because this society is more important, but our child emotional growth is more important than anything else. So that is what I want to share. So if you are in a crowd, or if you are in a crowd, or any relatives, or with any friends, and your child started to cry, don't ask your child to stop crying. Instead, just take away the thought as if many people are looking at you. Just think you are all alone with your child. If you start to think in that way, then definitely we can understand our child intention, why they are crying, and we can go and hug them, we can even talk to them, and within a minute also they can stop crying. But this happens through the guidance and not through any punishments. Okay, yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Once in a while I'll try to share any parenting tip through videos. It is little hard for me to take videos all the time, but I try my level best. Thank you so much.